Pour over. Perfection. Zen and the art of coffee. Hey there, coffee lovers. Today I'm diving into how you can master the art of pour-over coffee. If you're ready to elevate your coffee game, stick around. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about grinding your coffee beans. The grind size is absolutely crucial. Too coarse, and you'll have a weak, watery brew. Too fine, and it might be bitter and over-extracted. The sweet spot? Medium to medium fine grind. Think of it like granulated sugar. Now, how do you achieve that perfect grind? Enter the grinders. You got two main types, blade grinders and burr grinders. Blade grinders are budget friendly, but they can be inconsistent. Burr grinders, on the other hand, provide a uniform grind size and are the gold standard for coffee aficionados. If you're serious about your coffee, invest in a good burr grinder. All right, moving on to the pour-over equipment. There are plenty of options out there, but I'll focus on a few that stand out. First up, the Hario V60. It's a classic, and for good reason. The conical shape allows for better control over the flow rate and extraction time. Then there's the Chemex. This beauty isn't just a looker, it also makes a deliciously clean cup of coffee. The thicker filter paper removes more oils and grounds for a smoother taste. Lastly, the Kalita Wave. With its flat bottom and 3 small holes, it offers an even extraction, making it a fantastic choice for beginners and pros alike. Now the method. Start by heating your water to around 200 degrees. Rinse your filter with hot water to eliminate any papery taste and to preheat your dripper. Add your ground coffee to the filter, about 1 gram of coffee per 15 grams of water. Begin with a small amount of water to bloom the coffee and release carbon dioxide. After about 30 seconds, pour the rest of the water in a slow, circular motion, maintaining a steady pace. Aim for a total brew time of around 3 minutes, and there you have it. The essentials to mastering pour-over coffee. Remember, it's all about precision and patience. So, take your time, experiment, and enjoy the process. Cheers to great coffee. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more coffee tips and tricks. Until next time, happy brewing.